Let's understand biological classification today. Biological classification is the scientific procedure of arranging organisms into groups and subgroups on the basis of their similarities and dissimilarities and placing the group in a hierarchy of categories. Importance of classification. It is not possible to study every organism. Study of one or two organisms of a group gives sufficient information about the essential features of that group. It helps in identification of new organisms. Classification helps in knowing the relationship amongst different group of organisms. The organism of past cannot be studied without a proper system of classification. What is systems of classification? Identification of differences among organisms and placing them into groups that reflect their most significant features and relationships is called biological classification. Taxonomy is the branch of biology that groups all life according to their characteristics and history. All life on earth is placed into one of six kingdoms, and these six kingdoms are bacteria, archaea, protista, fungi, plantae, and animalia. There are various kinds of kingdom systems of classification. In two kingdom system of classification, organisms are grouped on the basis of presence and absence of cell wall as proposed by Linnaeus, father of taxonomy. In this system, all living organisms has been divided into two parts. The first one is kingdom Plantae. They are able to make their own food, have a cell wall and sedentary, where kingdom Animalia cannot make their own food, they have no cell wall and they are motile. In three kingdom systems, Haeckel separated unicellular animals, algae and fungi on the basis of lack of tissue differentiation and new kingdom Protista was introduced. In five kingdom system, R. H. Whittaker divided all the organisms into five kingdoms in order to develop phylogenetic classification. These five kingdoms are plants, animals, fungi, protists and Monera. The kingdom Monera includes all prokaryotes, mycoplasma, bacteria, actinomycetes and cyanobacteria. The main characteristics of kingdom Monera are that they lack nuclear membranes, they are devoid of plastids, mitochondria and advanced 9 plus 2 strand flagella. They are typically unicellular organisms. The predominant mode of nutrition is absorptive, but some groups are photosynthetic or chemosynthetic. The main characteristics of kingdom Protista are that they are eukaryotes, most are unicellular, most are heterotrophs. Kingdom Fungi are achlorophyllous, heterotrophic, spore-forming, non-vesicular eukaryotic organisms. The main characteristics of the kingdom Fungi are that they are eukaryotic, heterotrophic, multicellular decomposers with the exemption of yeast. Multicellular fungi are composed of thin filaments called hyphae tangled together into a thick mass called a mycelium. Kingdom Plantae are eukaryotic, chlorophyll-bearing organism. Life cycle is divided into diploid saprophytic and haploid gametophytic, which alternate with each other. Kingdom Plantae includes algae, bryophytes, pteridophytes, gymnosperms and angiosperms. Kingdom Animalia are heterotrophic eukaryotic organisms. that are multicellular and cell wall is absent in the cell. Mode of nutrition is holozoic and reserve food is glycogen or fats. Sexual reproduction is by copulation between male and female followed by embryological development. The main characteristics of kingdom Animalia are that all animals share the following characteristics. All are eukaryotic, multicellular, reproduce sexually, heterotrophic, motile at least for part of their life. So these were the 5 kingdom system of classification. I request you all to please go through our website www.syft.in for detailed content of biological classification. Thank you very much for watching us.